everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever walked past a pond and heard that familiar ribbit sound? Or maybe you've seen those tiny, jelly-like clumps floating near the water's edge? Well, today we're rediving deep into the incredible world of frogs and uncovering the amazing journey they take from a tiny egg to a full-grown amphibian. It's a transformation so dramatic, it's like a real-life magic show. So grab your virtual nets and let's explore the fascinating life cycle of a frog. Our story begins in the water. A mother frog lays her eggs, often in a large cluster called frog spawn. These aren't like chicken eggs. They're soft, jelly-like spheres. This jelly coating is super important. It protects the delicate embryos inside from getting bumped around, keeps them moist, and can even taste pretty bad to predators who might be looking for a snack. Inside each tiny transparent orb, a new life is beginning to form. You can actually see the little black dot in the center start to grow and change day by day. It's like a tiny nursery, floating gently in the pond. After about 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the water temperature, something amazing happens. A tiny creature wiggles its way out of the jelly. This is a tadpole, and it looks more like a little fish than a frog. It has a long tail for swimming and gills on the side of its head to breathe underwater, just like a fish. Tadpoles are mostly herbivores at this stage. They use their tiny mouths to scrape algae off rocks and plants. They are constantly eating and growing, getting bigger and stronger with each passing day. This is a dangerous time for them, though, as they are a tasty meal for fish, birds, and insects. Now for the really cool part, the transformation or metamorphosis. As the tadpole grows, it starts to change dramatically. First, 2 hind legs begin to sprout from the base of its tail. You'll see these little bumps appear and then slowly extend into fully formed legs with webbed feet. A little while later, its front legs will start to emerge, usually popping out from under a special skin flap. At the same time, massive changes are happening inside its body. Its gills start to disappear, and lungs develop, getting it ready to breathe air. Its fish-like mouth widens into the classic big froggy grin we all know and love. As its legs get stronger and its lungs develop, the tadpole, which we can now call a froglet, starts to look much more like a miniature frog. But with one key difference: it still has its tail. During this stage, the froglet doesn't eat. Instead, it gets all the energy it needs by absorbing its own tail. That's right, the tail slowly shrinks, providing nutrients until it's completely gone. This is the final step in its journey from being a fully aquatic creature to one that can live on land. The froglet will start spending more time near the surface, practicing using its new lungs to gulp air. Finally, the tail disappears completely, and we have an adult frog. This young frog will leave the water and begin its life on land, though it will always stay close to a source of water to keep its skin moist. Unlike its younger self, the adult frog is a carnivore. It uses its long, sticky tongue to catch insects, slugs, and worms. Its powerful back legs, which we saw develop, are now perfect for both leaping on land and swimming in the water. Once it's fully grown, the cycle is ready to begin all over again. The adult frog will find a mate, return to the pond, and lay its own eggs, starting the incredible journey for a new generation. From a speck in a jelly-like egg to a gilled tadpole, a leggy froglet, and finally, a jumping, croaking adult. The life cycle of a frog is a true marvel of nature. It shows us how adaptable life can be, changing and transforming to survive in different environments. So next time you're near a pond, take a closer look. You might just spot a part of this amazing cycle happening right before your eyes. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed learning about frogs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing nature stories. See you in the next video.